This is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Let's compare it to the older GoPros. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. We gathered again into our favorite spots. We're in the famous park that you saw a lot of video reviews on my channel, and I have made this very professional, not too professional rig that I have. The GoPro Hero 7, the GoPro Hero 8 and the GoPro Hero 9. They're all black, okay? So they're the GoPro Hero Blacks. And in just a few moments, I will have Elena, of course, not me. She will start running, she will start walking, she will start using all the different features so you can see side by side the comparison, and you can tell at the end of the video, at the middle of the video, whenever you want, your comments in the section down below. What do you prefer? Keep watching the video, because at the end I will tell you my personal opinion, okay, of what we're gonna see. And believe me, it's not gonna be something that you expect. And I forgot, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are watching me for your first time, I'm LUTS, and I post videos here on tutorials, filmmaking tips, gear reviews, tech reviews, and so much more. So if you're into this kind of stuff, consider subscribing to the channel, and also don't forget to ring the notification bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Let's go now into the Elena mode. This is an audio test with microphones from GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero 9, and this is the audio from the GoPro Hero 8, and this is the audio from the GoPro Hero 7. And now both the GoPro Hero 9, the GoPro Hero 8 and the GoPro Hero 7 are in wide mode. 5K for the GoPro Hero 9, 4K for the 8 and the 7 at 25 frames per second. We are in Europe, we use PAL, not 24. And this is with the super view on the GoPro Hero 9 in 4K 50. Let me take a moment to talk about Squarespace. If you don't know who Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can get your domain or build your own website without having any knowledge at all at web design and web developing. With Squarespace, you can use between high-end designers templates that you can use them as your structure and start building your website. So if you're a photographer, videographer, creative artist in general, and you want to have a website to showcase your portfolio, head over to squarespace.com/Emilio. You can try it for free first, and when you're ready to buy, you can use the coupon code Emilio and get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you so much, Squarespace. Now let's go back into the video. First impressions. The GoPro has the screen on the front. That's a huge win because we can see ourselves whenever we're filming. Okay, now, it has the HyperSmooth 3.0. It's a very good stabilization system, the best system. Okay, I see it. It has 5K. Okay, if you're into the market to buy a GoPro, this is the best GoPro money can buy right now at the moment. Also, if you're the category of person who is doing snowboarding, wakeboarding, extreme sports, skateboards, one wheels or anything like that, yeah, this is gonna be a very useful camera. As you can tell, it's not for me. I'm not this kind of person. I don't know if I'm ever gonna be. Because we've seen a lot of videos that say best cinematic settings for GoPro. What I can tell you from the beginning is that if you're planning to purchase a GoPro and you want to do cinematic footage, forget about it. This is an action camera. It's for a specific niche, for the action camera niche, and it's not gonna replace a camera. That's my personal opinion. And if you're gonna have it just to have it here, for example, mounted and do photo street vlogs, or you wanna have a second or third camera, then go to the second-hand market, purchase the GoPro Hero 7, the GoPro Hero 8. Don't invest that kind of money to get the GoPro Hero 9 if you're not the user that is gonna use the GoPro 9. Like the extreme user who is gonna get, honestly, the best GoPro money can get. I can't wait personally to see what the DJI Osmo Action 2 is gonna be. This is my personal opinion. Again, if you're looking to get the best GoPro, go get it. If you want a second, third camera, a small camera that you want to use on your videos in a more mosquitoes, cinematic way, just, in my opinion, wait to see what the DJI has to offer. So that was it from me and Elena. She did all the hard job. I did just the talking, and she's recording also right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'm waiting you in the comment section down below. Fight me. I'm waiting the comments like, what are you saying? GoPro is the best camera. And if you liked what you see, like this video, subscribe to the channel. As I said in the beginning, I'm Emilio Takas, and I will see you in the next video.